Hi, I'm Alicia Hart and I am the Chief of GSD Get Shit Done here at The 7 Effect. Today I'm going to be talking to you on how you can use LinkedIn to create articles to engage your clients and your prospects and connections on LinkedIn. So getting an article on LinkedIn to create greater engagement and the reach, one of the things that is the greatest tip to connect with people is by being open and transparent. So what I mean by that is stripping it down and bearing all. So sharing emotions, sharing experiences, and really connecting in with your clients and your prospects and connections to really showcase what your experience is to make it relatable. Tell them so they get to know you. The deeper and more exposed you are, the greater the connection is because they can see how authentic you are. It helps to guide your actual content as well. So if you're talking about a specific topic in terms of like a workshop that you might deliver or a product, you can talk about how you felt this situation, you experienced this thing. You can talk about the experience, then you talk about how it changed and how you get to the results that you wanted to. That links into your program. When you're writing an article, it is really, really critical to write for professionals that are super busy. So what that means is being really concise, keeping it short and easy to read. They should be able to read it in under 5 minutes because at the end of the day, they're either jumping in between meetings, they're trying to run around, do lots of stuff. So if you're writing it short, sharp and shiny is good. Using numbered points, so in your heading, say like the 5 tips of connecting into LinkedIn clients for leadership challenges you may face, stuff like that. So then it gives the reader an idea of how long the article will actually be, and as they progress through it, they know whether they're going to continue reading or not. The other thing is to look at your structure. So looking at it through the eyes of the reader and going, is that a bulky paragraph or can you actually streamline it to be shorter and more lines and a few more spaces so it's not as heavy content? In an article you can actually add images, graphs, videos, so I'll show you how to do all that in a minute. But it's important to write for a particular person. So having a person in mind rather than using a general approach of everybody is anchoring to one specific person and targeting that person, so then it makes it more relatable. And if you do a positive post, that actually gets more shares. However, if you're looking for someone to create discussions with someone or your readers in particular, a serious topic actually gets more discussion happening. But if you're looking at sharing a positive story, you can talk about how you achieved something and talk about the experience, what you went through, tell the story, and then how to pay it forward. So how can others achieve the results that you did and tell them about the process. It's important to always explain the why it matters to your reader, and how they can do it. So making sure when you've got your article, you've always got a call to action in there. You can address that by having the problem, talking about your topic, telling your story, tell them how you got to your solution, what the results were, share the benefits, which anchor back into the why, and then a call to action. So want to find out more or book this ticket, contact me, arrange different actions. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump onto my computer now and I'm going to show you on this screen how to write an article. So here you can see my home page here. If I click write an article, I can either select myself or the 7 Effect. I'm going to click me for today. Here you can click in and you can add a cover image. So if I click in there, I might just go, you know what, I'm going to go to my PC and I'm going to go here, downloads, and I'm going to go to LinkedIn cover image as an example. So here you'll see our cover image loading, where we've got our Freedom Fest. So I might be doing an article about Freedom Fest. So here I'm just going to type in Freedom Fest, but you might do, actually let's change it, so 5 ways to find your freedom. Then it's got my role there, so you can see here, I'm going to circle to that, that's me, my title and what I do in the business. It's really important when you have your role title to be something that people understand, so making it not jargon, make it something that someone understands what it actually is that you deliver. So let's go into the article. So in here, as you can see, it just gives you the space to write. So this is where you can talk about a story, experience that you went through. Here is the results that I achieved, and then how you can get this too. So this is an example. If you're wanting to add any credits or captions, you can add it up the top here. With publishing, you can change the font. So if I'm looking at doing, you can make it bigger. You have all the capabilities, making it bold. You can use dot points. It's really important with being concise. So you can use dot points or bullet numbered points to help bring your message into concise points. You can have quotation marks, so if I chuck something there, it actually brings the indent, so you can have quote, freedom is amazing. So you can have it and then have your quote like that, so it stands out. And you can link things. So for instance, if I'm going here, I'll click the link folder, and then you can add the URL in there. My challenge for you is anyone that is using LinkedIn, I would love you to post an article on LinkedIn under either your business page or your personal page, and then in your comments of that, if you're doing any links, I'd highly recommend putting the link actually, rather than in the article, put it in the first comment, but say in the article that you will put the link in the comments, because that actually generates more viewers to click through. But yeah, put the comment link in there, and then in the comments tag me in it. So I'm at Alicia Hart, and then that way I can respond and see your article. And if you do a screenshot, share that back into the coaching arena for lifestyle entrepreneurs or the LBB mastermind group, and then we can showcase your brand by your post, and we can have a look at it. Thank you, and well done. Good luck with the rest of the challenges. Thanks. Bye.